Anti-aging foods to eat every day over 50. Aging is a natural process, but the food we eat can greatly impact how we age, both inside and out. After the age of 50, our bodies require specific nutrients to maintain energy, support immune function, and protect against age-related health issues. Incorporating anti-aging foods into your daily diet can improve overall well-being, promote radiant skin, and protect against chronic illnesses like heart disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. Here are some of the best anti-aging foods to include in your diet daily to help you look and feel your best. 1. Berries, antioxidants for skin and brain health. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals that contribute to aging. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. The antioxidants in berries, such as vitamins C and E, help protect skin cells, improve collagen production, and support skin elasticity. Additionally, studies have shown that regular berry consumption may reduce the risk of cognitive decline by improving memory and supporting brain health. 2. Leafy greens, nutrients for bone and eye health. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C, E, and K, calcium, and folate. Vitamin K is particularly important for individuals over 50 because it supports bone health by improving calcium absorption. Leafy greens are also high in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect against age-related macular degeneration, which can affect vision as we age. 3. Fatty fish, omega-3s for heart and brain health. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are among the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Additionally, omega-3s are beneficial for cognitive function and may help lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 4. Nuts, heart-healthy fats and protein. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are nutrient-dense foods rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These healthy fats, especially monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Nuts also contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect against cellular damage and support skin health. 5. Avocados, healthy fats for skin and joint health. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which help keep skin hydrated and support a healthy lipid barrier. These healthy fats also reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for joint health as well as heart health. Avocados contain vitamins C, E, and K, along with folate and potassium, which together support overall wellness and protect against age-related health issues. 6. Tomatoes, lycopene for skin protection. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect skin from UV damage, one of the primary causes of aging. Lycopene also reduces inflammation and supports heart health, making it an essential nutrient for those over 50. Cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene, so incorporating cooked tomatoes into your meals can be especially beneficial. 7. Greek yogurt, probiotics for gut health. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome supports digestion, improves immune function, and can even influence skin health. Greek yogurt is also high in protein and calcium, which are essential for muscle maintenance and bone health, particularly as we age. 8. Sweet potatoes, beta-carotene for skin health. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting cell turnover and skin health. Beta-carotene helps protect the skin from sun damage, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a youthful glow. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber, helping to regulate blood sugar and support digestive health. 9. Whole grains, fiber for digestive health and energy. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat products are excellent sources of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy and regulates blood sugar levels. Fiber also plays a role in reducing cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. Whole grains are packed with essential B vitamins, which are important for energy production and overall vitality as we age. 10. Green tea, antioxidants for cell health. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Regular green tea consumption has been linked to lower risks of heart disease and certain types of cancer, and it may also support brain health. The antioxidants in green tea can improve skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging, making it an excellent beverage choice for those over 50. 11. Olive oil, healthy fats for heart and skin health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is a key component of the Mediterranean diet and is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It also contains antioxidants, including vitamin E, which protects skin and reduces inflammation. Studies have shown that olive oil can help reduce the risk of heart disease, and its anti-inflammatory properties can benefit both joint and skin health.